everyone. Welcome to day 2 of your 12-day New Year journey. I am so excited today because we are going to be doing some twists and we're going to energize the body so that we feel really great to start the year. Okay, so we're going to have our feet hip-width distance apart, knees on top of the ankle, draw the belly in, crown of the head lifted to the sky. Let's go ahead and start our practice with a couple breaths of intention. So breathe in and out, relaxing the body as you breathe out. This next breath, we're going to breathe in, setting the intention for a more vibrant and energetic self. Breathe in and out. A more vibrant and energetic self. Breathe in and out. It's a great intention. Go ahead and open up your eyes if you had closed them. I'm going to open up the arms, breathing in, and then take the hands at the heart. Okay, inhale, arms up. Exhale, expand the fingers and show me your yoga fingers. So give them a little wave, little shakey shake. Good. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands to the heart. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, open them up. Show me your yoga fingers. Spread them out and give me a wave. Good. Again, breathing in, breathing out. Relax those shoulders. Breathing in, expand those arms. Give them a little wave. Good. Breathing in. Exhale, breathe out. This time, show me your yoga fingers all the way up. Give me a little wave. Perfect. Now, stretch to the side. Wave, wave, wave. Breathing in, shakety shake, and wave, wave, wave. Shakety shake here. Good. Breathing in, lift up, shake, 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 and then release. Okay, that was quite energetic right from the get-go. Hands on the thighs. Open up the chest for a seated cow. Please breathe in. Exhale, breathe out. Cat. Inhale, open up the heart. Cow. Exhale, cat. In cat pose, reach your fingertips, please. Chin to the chest. Draw the belly to the back. Again, breathing in, open up the chest. Exhale, round the back, round the back. Last one, breathing in, stick that tail out, please. Breathe in. Exhale, tuck the tail under now, breathe out. Perfect. Good. From here, go ahead and take your hands to the heart. Breathe in here. Exhale, go ahead and twist. Keeping the spine nice and tall, come back to center. Breathe in. Exhale, twist. Good. A great way to feel more energized is when we do twisting, because twisting helps the digestive system. And if the digestive system's moving really well, then guess what? We're more happy and more energetic. Breathe in, breathe out, twist. Inhale back to center. Exhale, twist. Inhale back to center. Exhale, release. Okay, from here, we're going to take our hands on top of the belly and working on our digestive system. So often that I communicate this to my clients, my patients who are, the digestive system's a little grumpy, maybe overate over the holiday season. So we're going to go ahead and in a nice fashion, we're going to move our palms in a clockwise. Okay, so clockwise. So we're going down on the, I'm going down on the left side of my body. It's actually the right for you. And then up, gentle. So we're going clockwise, pressing down on the clock down and gentle on the clock up, okay? Putting a little bit of pressure on the trans here and then down on the descending colon, okay? Gentle on the up and pressure on the going across and then pushing down. Okay, we're gonna do just a few of these. So breathe. So you wouldn't believe it, but sometimes I prescribe some of my acupuncture patients when they have digestive issues. They have to do this 100 times a day to help make sure that they're nice and regular. Okay, so we're just going to do a few of these so that you get into the habit of giving yourself some beautiful love into the abdominal space, but also we're giving love to our digestive space. And remembering that if we are feeling more vibrant, it's because our digestion is happy and and we are probably having a bowel movement every day. So go ahead. One more, two more, three more. So 3, 2, 1, release. Okay, let's help that. Now that we've worked that, we're gonna twist again. So hands back to the center. Breathe in, twist. Good. Back to center, twist. Come on, back to center. Arms are gonna come out. Inhale, twist. Good. Come on, back to center, twist. Good. Come on, back to center, release. We're gonna take our hands down. We're gonna come on into almost like a crouch here where we're just in a little huddle. The tops of your arms are gonna be on your thighs, planting your feet hip width distance apart. We're going for a gentle twist here. So we're gonna go ahead and take the right arm all the way up for a high five. All the way up, and then scooping down through. Okay, again, lifting up and scooping. You got it. We're kind of twisting and crunching, right? Up and a little twisty. Breathe out. Up, high five, and out. So I'm taking my arm all the way up, but you don't have to take it all the way up. It depends on how your body's feeling. Okay, we're gonna go 2 more. Up and down. Are you planting your feet? Are you breathing in and out? Release. Other side. Up and down. Scoop. Up and down. Scoop. Up and down. Scoop. Up. Breathe and scoop. Up and scoop. Do 2 more. Up and scoop. Up and scoop. Now from here, tight belly, pressing your hands together. Engage your belly muscles. Press into your feet. Tight belly, press up. Breathe in. Breathe out. Well done, everyone. Now from here, more twisting to feel more vibrant. We're going to take this left hand to the outside of the right thigh. The other hand's going to press now nice and firmly behind us. Inhale, lift and lengthen, and exhale, twist. Okay, relax into the sits bones. Don't grind into them. Relax your hips. Breathe in, lift and lengthen. Exhale, twist. Try to keep the chin right over the chest here. Inhale, lift. Exhale, twist. You may find yourself, maybe you just kind of like burped a little. Just see what's going on in your body. Notice what's happening. The twisting is helping digestion. Breathing in and exhale, twist. Good. Let's go ahead and look behind us. Breathe in, relax in the shoulders, and keeping in that twist, let's go ahead and just turn the head. Breathing here, looking over the opposite shoulder. Inhaling here, exhaling, in and out with the breath. One more breath in, and then on the exhalation, unwind, please. Breathe out. Let's go on the other side. Okay, so this is our right hand. It's gonna go on to outside of the left thigh. The other hand is gonna press nice and firmly on the chair behind us. Inhale, lift and lengthen, and exhale, twist. Again, breathing in, lift, lengthen, right on up to the crown of the head, and then gently twist. Don't grind those sits bones. Relax into the hips. Relax the shoulders. Breathe in, twist. Keep that chin right over the chest, please. And then let's go ahead and look behind us. And then keeping in that twist, look in the opposite shoulder, please. Inhaling, exhaling, breathing in, breathing out, in, and exhale, unwind. Well done. We are going to do one more move here. We're going to widen the stance, please, so that we can prepare for just twisting a little bit more of the body, but we're opening the stance a little bit more. I've taken this from a nice, beautiful Qigong class where we're going to paint and brush stroke with our hands and moving with the flow and the energy of the universe. So I want you to open up the chest, and the arms. Expand those yoga fingers, please. Imagine that the hands have paint on it. And let's go ahead and take the hand, the right hand, brush stroke across the screen here. Take it to touch it to the arm, and then brush stroke all the way across the arm and the chest, and come back to where you were. Other arm, breathing in, and then breathe out, brush stroke. You got it. Breathing in, twist. Breathing out. Again, in and out. In and out. You got it. 2 more. In and out. In and out. Perfect. Now from here, release. Shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. Arms all the way up. Hands to the heart. Arms up. And then I want you to give me a little shake all the way down. Ooh. And expand the fingers out. Show me your palms, okay? From here, expand all the way up and expand, lengthen. So I want you to root the feet into the ground, expand the fingers up to the sky, reach up, open up your heart, breathe in and out, feeling more vibrant, more expansive, a little more free, breathing in and then release. Breathe out. Let's go ahead and toe heel those feet back into where we started. And let's go ahead and close our practice with our hands to the heart. We're going to take a moment to thank our bodies. Thank this moment. Thank yourself, please, for coming today and sharing in this practice so that you can do something wonderful for your mind, body, and spirit. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Well done, everyone. Peace. Namaste.